Okay. Good morning, everybody. This is Lord Graves. If you guys saw my last post, my little shorts about the winter storm we just had last night, it is still snowing, continuously blowing snow. We've got quite a bit. In fact, I just went and took the dog out to go to the bathroom, and I was shocked at the stairs that, there's a good amount of inches in the hallway on the stairs of snow. And I'm going to take you guys on a little walkabout around my complex. In fact, the dog didn't even go all the way down the stairs. He got down to an area that was normally dirt and straight up just was like, nah, I'm not going down the rest of the stairs, man. Like, it's crazy. So, you are going to go with me downstairs, and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay? Those are my footprints and the dog. No snow on this side. There's a tumbleweed. If that ain't New Mexico for you, I don't know what is. There's a good amount of snow right there. Just somebody's blanket. I'll show you on this side here. Try not to slip because I don't have good shoes on. That's a good angle right there. See, there's a couple inches of snow. Another good angle. This is sidewalk. Look at that. You see that? Comes up to about mid-leg. Snow piled up. I'm just about playing in the snow right now. Okay, now I'm gonna go back down this one. This is the opposite end. See my pupper's footprints. I gotta be careful. He's slippery. Right here, I slipped. Ooh, doggy. Ooh, doggy. Yeah, it's about, I don't know, 6:30 in the morning, Valentine's Day. I gotta be careful. Like I said, I don't have proper shoes on because I just went and put on some shoes. Oh, we got some wind down here. I'm gonna just take a little bit of a walk. Oh, look at that. That's a good little ridge right there. Y'all need to forgive me for having a bit of an accent this morning. Kind of what happens. Oh, fuck, I'm cold. Kind of what happens when I listen to anything that has a bit of a twang to it. I can pick up a Texas-like accent pretty quickly. Oh, God. Yeah, look at it. It's a winter wonderland, y'all. Winter wonderland. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh. That's pretty quick. Pretty quick. Alright. So now I'm going to walk back towards the parking lot. Assess the damage of the snow on my car. Good Lord. I should have been a little bit more, I don't know, layered, perhaps. A little bit more layered. Not too sure about that. Good Lord. My big old footsteps right there. Oh God. Oh God. Ankle deep. I probably look like, oh shit, that's ice. I probably look like a dumbass to my neighbors right now, waddling out. I can't talk. Waddling out. See, the big danger here for us is the wind. As you can see, the wind. This is all powder snow. This ain't packed at all. That's powder. The wind, just like sand, will create areas, and that's what causes issues and makes it deep in areas. I don't even know if y'all can hear me now. I gotta be careful. God, that's snow in my eye. Don't use it. Oh, son of a... I don't even care that I don't have layers on my bottoms. Not even wearing socks. I'm being stupid. I just want to see how bad my car is covered. I gotta be careful. This is the issue. All the Mexicans have today. That wind is going to cause a lot of issues today. Hopefully, damn, we hadn't seen a snowstorm of this caliber since New Year's 2019. Is that right? 2019? 2018, 2019? Turn my back. Holy Nikes! Biscuit eater, man. Probably why you got a sad smile on it. Look at this. A little path here. Yeah, a perfect little path. Got a perfect little path. Do you want to build a snowman? No. Alright. Look at that snow in my car like that. Some idiot spray painted my car. Look at the amount of snow behind my car. That's ridiculous. So didn't want to come out here. Oh God, it's in my eyes. Didn't want to come out here. And I have officially given you the Winter Wonderland tour. Oh God. Oh, it's already sleet. Look at this. Right here. That's ice. That's ice, people. Ice, baby. It's still a little soft, but it is slushy underneath. That's going to be an issue for drivers. So if you're out there, just be safe. Be careful. Look at here. Black ice. Ain't that a shame? Flat tire. Anyways. Oh God. It's frightening. I'm out here in the snow. Hardly covered. I can't even feel my fingers anymore. I would not survive out in Canada. No way in hell. No way in hell. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Good Lord. Good Lord. Alright. I'll see you guys when I get back inside. Y'all, I'm back inside. And look at that. My hands are pink and cold. And they hurt already. I want to run them underwater, but that's gonna hurt. Oh, shit, my face is all red too. Damn. Nose be running. all that fun stuff. Oh, this precious little boy right here. Say hi, everybody. Oh, you gonna make sure Daddy all right? Okay. Say hi. Say hi, everybody. Say hi, YouTube. Say hi. All right, you guys. So that is my little festival treat for you. And I'm just gonna end up eating my mask because apparently it don't want to stay down. And my pajama bottoms are wet now, so I need to warm up a bit. Probably hop in the shower. And yeah. Keep on digging.